welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me once again for my CVS haul video. If this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you and I hope you like it here. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video, and let's go grab some deals. The first deal I picked up today is the L'Oreal Cosmetics. They're on the deal of buy 2 get $6 extra care box bag and it's a limit of 1. The first item I'm going to pick up will be the L'Oreal Mono Eyeshadow. They are priced at $6.99. And the second item I'll pick up will be the lipstick and it's priced at $10.79. These two items are going to total $17.78. I have this 40% off L'Oreal Paris CRT I got last week and I also received one this week. I have two other percentage of CRT. One is a 30% off full purchase and the second one is 20% off full purchase. When you use percentage of CRT, it's always good not to use extra care box because the percentage of CRT comes off after the extra care box or any coupons you have. I'm not going to use any extra care box to pay for this, so I'm going to pay the rest out of pocket. Let's go over my receipt and see how all these percentage of CRTs worked out. You can see the two items I picked up, and the first 40% off took off $7.12. The second one took off $4.27, and my 30% off CRT took off $1.92, and the 20% took off 55 cents. That brought my subtotal down to $3.92, which I paid out of pocket, and I got back $6 extra care box, making this transaction free and a $2.08 money maker. The next deal I picked up is spend $15 get $6 extra care box on any Revlon cosmetics or beauty tool, and this is a limit of 1. I'm going to pick up the Revlon setting mist. It's priced at $15.49. I'm going to use the $5 mystery offer we got last week, and on Sunday we received another $4 mystery offer that can work for CoverGirl or Revlon. I have a 2 off 10 Revlon CRT and a 40% off Revlon CRT. With this deal, I'm not using extra care box because of the 40% off CRT I'm going to use. Let's go over my receipt and see how this transaction went. My $5 off CRT came off. The $4 CRT we received on Sunday also applied. My 2 off 10 came off and the 40% off CRT took off $1.80, dropping it down to $2.69, which I paid out of pocket plus tax, and I got back the $6 extra care box. That ended up making this free and $3.31 money maker. The next deal I'm going to pick up is the spend $30 get $10 extra care box on L'Oreal facial products, and it's a limit of 1. I'm going to pick up the L'Oreal Revitalift Triple Power Anti-Aging Serum, and it's priced at $29.49, and that's within the 98% rule for the spend 30. The amount I need for this deal to get my $10 extra care box is to spend $29.40. We all received a $5 off L'Oreal facial CRT, and I also have a $15 off L'Oreal serum CRT. And both CRTs will take off $20, dropping it down to $9.49, and I'll get $10 extra care box back, which will end up making this product free and 51 cents money maker. This transaction ended up working out as planned. Both CRTs came off, dropping it down to $9.49, but I used a $10 extra care box to pay for this, and it adjusted down to $9.49, and I got back $10 extra care box for spending $30. My next deal is spend $10 get $4 extra care box on Neutrogena Acne Care, and it's a limit of 1. I'm going to pick up the Neutrogena oil-free acne wash, priced at $10.99. I have a $3 off acne skincare CRT I got in my email, and I also have a $3 off Neutrogena Aveeno facial care CRT. These two CRTs will drop it down to $4.99, and I'll get $4 extra care box back, making it just 99 cents. I checked out this transaction by itself, and my 2 CRTs came off. I used $5 extra care box to help pay for this, and it adjusted down to $4.99. I paid 0 out of pocket, just tax, and I got back $4, making this just 99 cents. The next deal I'll pick up will be on Oral-B toothbrush. They are part of the buy 2 get $5 extra care box, and they are on sale for $4.99. My store is almost wiped out. I think I'm picking up the last two. As you can see, both toothbrushes will total $9.98. And I have these two of 7 Crest or Oral-B CRT that we use with this deal. We also have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that we got on Sunday. And we received another $1 off coupon that will double dip with the 3 off 2. The 2 coupons and the CRT will drop it down to $3.98. And I'll get $5 extra care box back, which will make both toothbrushes free and $1.02 moneymaker. I have a 3 of 12 oral care CRT that I will also want to include in this deal. And to use both threshold CRTs, I have to get to $19, and I'll pick up the Colgate toothpaste. They're on sale for $3.99, and it's not giving back any extra care box, but we have a very good digital coupon that will help with this deal. If you're just doing it by itself and you don't have the CRTs I have, pick up 2 at $3.99 each. Both will total $7.98. We received a 7 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 98 cents for both, or 49 cents each. At this point, I'm still at $17, so I need one more item to be able to use the 2 CRTs. And what I'm going to pick up will be the CVS brand toothbrush, priced at $1.99. Because I have a $2 off CVS Oral Care CRT that will make it free. This is what my transaction will look like, and these are the CRTs I'll be using. The first one is the 3 off 12 Oral Care CRT, and you can see the 2 off 7 Crest or Oral-B CRT, and the third one is the $2 off for the CVS toothbrush. And after all the CRTs and the digital coupon come off, it will drop my subtotal down to $1.96, and I'll get $5 extra care box back. Let's go over my receipt and see how everything worked out. You can see all the items I picked up. On the coupon section, every coupon I mentioned applied. I don't know why the CVS CRT adjusted down to $1.32. I know this happens sometimes, but that's still okay. And I paid $2.63 plus tax out of pocket, and I got back the $5 extra care box. This transaction ended up being free and a $2.37 moneymaker. I almost forgot to mention that I submitted my receipt to Ibotta for 20 cents back for the CVS brand toothbrush. The next deal I picked up is the buy 2 get $4 extra care box on Fructis shampoo or conditioner, and it's a limit of 1. I'm going to pick up 2 of the leave-in conditioners priced at $4.99 each. Both will total $9.98. I'm going to use the 2 of 2 CRT we received last week. And we also have a 3 off 2 digital coupon. The CRT and the coupon will drop it down to $4.98, and I'll get $4 back, making both bottles just 98 cents or 49 cents each. Let's go over my receipt and see how it worked out. The 3 off 2 came off and the 2 off 2 CRT applied. I used $4 extra care box with this transaction, paid just 98 cents out of pocket, and I got back my $4 extra care box, making both just 98 cents or 49 cents each. The last item I picked up today is CVS brand toddler wipes. It's priced at $2.09, and they're on sale for buy one get one half off, but I'm only going to pick up one because I have a $2 CRT that will leave me to pay just 9 cents. I know that Ibotta have a rebate on baby wipes, but when I scan this item, it's not attaching to it. This concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching, and thank you for all your support, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.